Do you think financial accounting is a difficult subject? Do you think learning accounts is so boring? Then we have a solution. Live Creator presents you an audio video tutorial which helps you to learn accounts in an easier way. This is the demo of the product. There are only 4 major elements in financial accounting. If you know how to manage these 4 elements, financial accounting will be very much easy for you. The 4 elements are assets, liabilities, incomes, and expenses. Now, let's have a detailed look on each of these elements. What are assets? Assets simply means what the company owns. Examples are office building, office vehicle, and office furniture. Liability means what the company owes to others. Examples are capital, bank loan, and bills payable. Incomes are what the company gets through its business activities. Examples are interest received, sales income, and fees received. Expenses are what the company spends for its business activities. Examples: purchases, rent paid, and salary paid. We have learned about all the major 4 elements of financial accounting. Now we have to learn how to do a journal entry. The rules of journal entry. We are introducing you the easiest way to do a journal entry. Only 3 rules. Rule 1. For every debit, there is a corresponding credit. Rule 2. This rule can be easily stated by using an acronym AEID. Assets, expenses, increases, debit. Further explained. When you record a business transaction, if assets or expenses are increasing, put it as debit. Rule 3. Here the acronym is LIIC. Liabilities, incomes, increases, credit. Means when you are recording a business transaction, if the liabilities or incomes are increasing, put it as credit. We have 2 more rules. That is AEDC, assets, expenses, decreases, credit, and LIDD, liabilities, incomes, decreases, debit. We don't need to remember these as these are just the opposites of AEID and LIIC. If you know AEID and LIIC thoroughly, that's more than enough. Now let's try to record a simple business transaction. Suresh started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. How to record this transaction? Using the rules we have learned. Just 3 steps. Step 1. Find the assets, liabilities, incomes, and expenses in the transaction. Step 2. Find which is increasing or decreasing. Step 3. Apply the rules, that is AEID and LIIC. Now let's try to do this problem using these steps. Step 1. Find the assets, liabilities, incomes, and expenses in the transaction. Here, cash is the asset and capital is the liability. Step 2. Find which is increasing or decreasing. Here we can see that asset is increasing. Liability is also increasing. Step 3. Apply the rules. Here asset is increasing, so AEID, that is debit the asset. Here the liability is also increasing, so LIIC, that is credit the liability. So the journal entry will be like this. Cash account is debited and capital account is credited. That is cash account debtor to capital account. Both the amount will be rupees 1 lakh because debit should be equal to credit, that we have learned in rule 1. So thank you for watching this demo, and please don't forget to give your valuable feedbacks. For more details, log on to www.livecreatoredu.weebly.com.